Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we're looking at a toy called the GiloBaby. It looks like a toy robot with remote control, light, sound, action. And let's take a look. Let's open the box and see what we got. Okay, nothing else is in the box. Let's take a look here. Okay, we have our robot. And looks like that's it. So he's pretty small. I wonder, does he need batteries? Let's take a look. Usually they need batteries, but let's make sure. Let's open this up. Yes, AA batteries. Let me find some batteries. So it looks like I found some batteries, and in the meantime, looks like we need 5. 2 for the remote and 3 for the robot. So let's go ahead and enter the battery now. These are AA batteries. I'm using some Duracells. And I think I'll just screw on later. Or maybe not. Let's try to screw it down just a little bit. Okay, there we go. And let's do our robot next. I do have him in an off position, just in case he turns on. Okay, 3 batteries inserted, like so. Let's put the back piece back on him. Looks like kind of dirty there. Uh-oh, did I do it wrong? Yeah, it looks like I did. Okay, now I'll screw him on a little bit. I did notice the screw is a little tight. So let me loosen this up a little bit. Seems to be crooked at an angle. Alright, let's insert the screw back on. Hopefully it stays. Okay, like so. And we almost got it. Well, feels a little loose a little bit. And I think I got it. I wish they would just snap on and not need screws. So parents, if you buy your kids this toy, be sure to help them out with it. Okay, I had to screw on as tight as I could. Alright. Okay, here's some rubber feet. Seems to be a little bit wobbly. Let's turn them on. Okay. Let's turn our remote on. Let's see. Oh, wow. He's fast. Cool. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty cool. What does this button do? Hello, robot. Don't know what that does. This one?
Thank you.
Oh wow, it talks. What is your name? Huh. Whoa. He's trying to knock down. Wow, he's pretty strong. He just knocked down my box. So maybe good to have him on the floor, guys. He is pretty strong. Okay, these two buttons, not as responsive as the other. What is your name? Cool. So guys, this is the GiloBot. Looks pretty cool. Well, okay. And this is Color Book Man. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.